Hey everyone, welcome back to the RFID-linked YouTube channel. The video today we're going to show you how to set up a filter, and what the filter will do is allow you to specify a specific product type. So for example, if you have 5 different product types all near each other on a pallet, but you only want to report one RFID tagged product of a specific type, setting up a filter will allow you to tell RFID linked when you pull the trigger, only show me RFID tags of this specific product type. We'll get right into it now. So open up the RFID linked app and you'll go into your settings, and we're going to go into filters, and here you can see some of our pre-existing filters. We're going to add one, and this filter is for an outdoor camera. We're going to save that, and we are going to edit it to add filter criteria. We're going to add a filter group and the filter criteria by clicking the plus sign, and let's edit that criteria. The filter, in this case, we're going to use the UPC for the product. So when the scanner goes and reads for the RFID tags, it's going to only report RFID tags that contain this specific UPC. So let me get our 12-digit UPC into the field here, and our app allows you to scan that into the field. So we're going to update and save, and now we have our filter set up. So if we go back into a scan session and just say new scan, right now we've got a hand sanitizer filter set. So we're going to click the settings gear of the reader, and we're going to change it to our outdoor camera filter. Only report to me tags that have this 12-digit UPC embedded into it. So when I scan, the program is only going to report to me this specific product type. So you can see we have 5 RFID tagged outdoor cameras. Here's the UPC that's embedded in the tag, and the full 14-character master GS1 G10, the serial number that's encoded to the tag. If I click one of the items, it'll allow me to verify on GS1, show the GS1 Company ID, the product ID, serial number, UPC. I can locate a specific tag. The closer you get to the tag, the stronger the signal strength. And when you're done, you can just save the file and export it and share it to wherever you want it to go. You can share it through Gmail. You can save it to the device's memory. I'll give you an example of a save here. So we've got our saved file, and if I want to go back to this file later on, you can find the file here. We've got our camera file, and if I want to scan match it, you've got the pre-existing tags that we scan, and if we scan, it'll match up to let you know that every tag is still there, or if there's any missing, you'll be able to tell based on what the scanner can't find. Anyway, that's how you set up filters and a little bit extra. Thanks everybody. Have a good day.